Hello and welcome. Thanks for joining me today. The reason to record this video is to touch base a little bit on prompt generation. For this, we will use this Gemini, or previously known as Bard. This is a smart chatbot from Google. And I'll show you two simple techniques that you can use to generate better prompts when you work with Microsoft or with any other services that you use. It's applicable to different large language models. So let's start with one option, and when we generate a prompt, what's important? There is a technique which is called 5W and 1H, right? And I can probably ask, what is it? Right, so this technique we can actually use to generate good prompts. And you see here we have different questions. So who, what, where, when, and why, and how. So this technique is used quite often in journalism, and the way it's done, you basically specify these points to the large language model, and then it generates a better prompt. So it kind of gives you a better description of what the prompt should be. So, for example, I need, let's say, our goal, right? What? I need to generate, right, a logic for Power Automate flow that will remove duplicates from SharePoint list. So this is what you can give a personal context, something like the person who is doing that. So let's say as a professional SharePoint developer, and then when, we do not really need when here. So where it's already specified, a SharePoint list. The list is stored in SharePoint Online, and why. You can add some business context, right? So for example, I have multiple lists with duplicates, and my flow should clean up those lists from duplicates. Also, or how, you know, you can specify a different specific example if you have it, like when removing duplicates, compare items to each other in the most efficient way. Okay, so that's an example, right? So let's see what it does actually. So you see there is a trigger. It shows you get items. There is an option to filter duplicates. So filter array, then the second filter, right? And then remove duplicates, adding considerations. So it's not bad. So that's one option you can use. Just remember this technique, it's not only related to like technical things for like SharePoint or Azure, but you can also use it in other options when you work with this. And so what's important for the large language model when you work with it, one important thing is to provide context, right? So because model has been trained on different types of text, the context is important. So something like this, like context, goal, person, right? So that would answer the question who, goal would answer the question how, context is when, right? You can also give an example when you generate prompts, and yeah, maybe a format would be something good. Use that as a prompt. Can you improve it? You can also ask the model to improve it. So let's see what it does. Yeah, you see, based on this framework, who, SharePoint developer, what needs to automate, when, regularly, where, right? So it even created a better example where it specified exactly using this model where to put things. And yeah, that's pretty good. So that's it, what I wanted to share today. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and stay healthy. Bye bye.